Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jason. We're gonna take this T-bone steak and we're gonna turn it into money. All right, we're gonna put a couple tablespoons of canola oil. You can use grapeseed oil also. We're gonna get that good and hot. First, we wanna make sure your steak does not have any moisture on it because we want to sear it and not steam it. Next, we got some sea salt. We're gonna put lots of seasoning on. Salt and pep. Second side. All right, we have our cast iron popping hot, and put your steak in when the oil starts to smoke, and be careful because it's hot. Alexa, set a timer for 4 minutes. All right, we're gonna flip this over. We're gonna add a hunk of butter, some garlic cloves, and a little bit of thyme. All right, we're gonna bathe it in some of this butter. I wish you could smell this because it smells unreal. All right, we're gonna cut this apart and see how we did. Ooh. Looks like medium. Awesome. All right, let's see how we did. Let's test it out. Ooh. Don't need too much seasoning, just salt and pepper. And that garlic and the thyme are amazing. It's just got great beef flavor. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.